Then the currencies. So if we take a look at the DXY to start with, and still pushing up, and I still want higher. Ideally 97.55 to 97.90 in the DXY before we then get the wave 2 pullback. So therefore, conversely, in the euro, we're still pushing lower, and I'm just looking for the rest of this wave 1 down. If you look at the hourly chart on the site, it gives you the expectations for each of the subwaves along the way. So I'm looking for a drop down here to the 11245 area next, and so on and so forth. Just a 34545 to finish it off in the euro. Cable, where am I? Cable. It's stick saved this morning, this B wave. Ideally, we want to see a C of 2 up to give us a deeper wave 2 before we start the larger part of the move down in the 3. It came within a hair's breadth this morning of invalidating that. You can see there's it went through the 887, but it stayed above the low. We need to see it continue up to prove this. If we take that low out, then we are likely already in the wave 3 to much lower levels in the UK FTSE. Here we go. US dollar, Japanese yen. So it's continuing to push up. I'm looking for the rest of this wave 3 up here, the C wave of it. So still looking for that 115.06. So again, it held the fib it was supposed to. It's still pushing up, still looking up in that pair. And the Australian dollar, I'm still waiting, where am I? There, for this final drop down here to get long the Australian dollar. And it's just taken its sweet sorry time about doing it.